So when we see when I'm going to explain about evaluation of VMware, I just categorize this evaluation of VMware into four options: V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, and whatever explained in this evaluation of IT infrastructure, that is going to mapped with this evaluation of VMware as well. So let's start with V1. V1, it's virtual infrastructure. Like people who started their career in the year of 2009, they might have involved in building ESXi server, then installing vCenter, and then doing physical to virtual migrations. That time it's like they have a huge requirement for P2V migrations. Okay, because till 2009-10 time period, we have lot of physical servers around the globe. Okay, so that time period we need many engineers to be involved in the project for P2V. So that was a huge requirement that point of time period. Okay, so here in virtual infrastructure, so the skill set required here is about ESXi and vCenter. Totally, you should have some knowledge on vSphere. We will be installing this on a traditional, rack servers, and we'll be managing it. Only two components. Okay, that's how it was there in the year of 2009, 10, 11, up to 12. Okay, then what happened? So this point of time period, VMware support is very easy. So what they did is, they merged this Windows and VMware team together. Okay, to for support. So later on, it got changed. I tell you how it got changed. So in V2, we have one more component involved is vSAN. Okay, so software defined storage. So that is called as hyper converged infrastructure. Okay. So this virtual infrastructure is covering both this traditional server hardware as well as converged hardware as well. Okay. So here this V2 covers hyper converged infrastructure. This, I would say around the year of 2013-14 time period. Okay. So the example we can take here is the VxRail. Okay, because VMware has conducted some study program, and they started working on this VxRail vSAN part in the year of 2013, and around 2015-16 time period, this product came in the market. Okay, so if you have knowledge on the traditional ESXi environment, installing ESXi on a rack server, vCenter, and managing VMs, now the next skill set you need to update is about the hyperconverged servers. That is in the category of V2. So in
Hmm.
hyperconverged, I showed you only one example here, but in when explaining about IT infrastructure evaluation, I showed you a lot of vendors, right? And I showed some
Right.
five major vendors.
Correct.
Five
Right.
major vendors are Nutanix, VxRail,
Your times and
HP Simplicity,
VxRail, HP, Cisco, some.
yeah, Cisco Hyperflex, right?
Hmm.
So all are major vendors. So based on that,
Hmm.
market share, you can identify who is on top. So
Hmm.
Nutanix is on top, and below Nutanix, VxRail is there. So just just think it of this product has been introduced in the market in the year of 2000. R&D has done in 2014, but officially it got launched in the year of 2016. Okay, so it's almost 4 plus 5, almost 9 years, right?
Hmm.
So it's an established product in the market. Okay, so now you are going to study on this V2. So
Hmm.
once you completed this, what is next? So you need to update your skill set on the V3, which is software defined data center.
Yes.
Okay,
Hmm.
whereas the components count will get increased. So you need to update your skill set on vSphere, which includes ESXi vCenter. Then you need to update your skill set on vSAN. Then you need to update your skill set on NSX. And then you need to update your skill set on the VRLS components, which includes VROps, log insight, VRLS automation, VRLS orchestration, VRLS log insight, network insight. There are a lot of components involved. Okay. This one they launched in the year of 2015. I told you, right? This one got failed. Within
Right.
1 year of
Correct.
time, what happened? This has been changed to VCF, right? Okay. So this is, like V3. Next is like V4. We have hybrid cloud concept. In that hybrid cloud concept, the primary product offered by VMware is VMware Cloud Foundation. There you need to update your skill set on ESXi, vCenter, vSAN, NSX, STDC Manager. Okay. And then all the ARIA suite components. So now,
Okay.
like this VRelay suite components are called as ARIA suite components. Now you have a understanding and visibility, right? So now you are into V2. Okay. If you want to move to the next level in your career, then you need to update your skill set on vSAN. Anyway, vSAN will be covered here in this class. Okay. In the VxRail, we'll be covering this software defined storage completely. Okay. And then you can move to V3 means you need to update your skill set on NSX and VRelay suite components. After that, when you go for V4, then you need to update your skill set on SCDC manager and other stuffs. Okay, complete
This is a part
VM.
of this training, this NSX, and is it a part of this training?
No, NSX is not a
NSX
part of this training. vSAN is part of this training.
Okay. So till V2, this is a part of this training.
Yeah, till V2.
Okay. Then
Okay.
do you give training for V3 and V4 also?
Yeah, for NSX, I'll be giving a separate training. And for cloud, like recently, there are a
It
lot
has
of
came recently.
requirements. Yeah, there are a
Right.
lot of opportunities which is going in the market for SRE engineers, site reliability engineers. What
Right, correct.
Broadcom did is like Broadcom has given a contract to HCL and Wipro. Okay, and they need a lot of service reliability engineers, and they're offering a good salary for those areas. But the skill set required is V3 and V4. You should be familiar with V3 and V4. If you are familiar with that, yeah, you'll get a job as SR engineer. Like see, when an opportunity is coming in the market, it will not stay in the market for 3 years, 4 years. Okay.
Right, correct.
So when it coming there, like we need to be ready for that. Update your skill set, get that job, stay there for 2 or 3 years, and then update your skill set to the next level. Because when you learn something, you need to relax sometime at least, right? You should not, like update your skill set every 3 months, 4 months. No, it should not be like that. Okay. So this is about evaluation of VMware. So as a VMware admin, so where are you right now? You are in V2, right? So we at V2 training you started. So still you have a long way to go from V1 to V4. Now you understand the evaluation of VMware, right? Overall, like what are the products they are offering right now.
Yes.
I didn't explain the complete product category, but I just given an overview of like how to move to the career path in VMware for the next level. Okay. So we completed.
This intensive, hands-on training program is designed to provide comprehensive knowledge and practical experience with VMware VxRail. The course focuses on the deployment, configuration, management, and troubleshooting of VxRail components, enabling participants to confidently build and operate a modern, integrated hyper-converged infrastructure. The training consists of 40 learning hours, and we offer two flexible options to suit your schedule: a 5-day fast track for those who want to complete the course quickly, or a 1-month regular track for a more paced approach. We also offer flexible timings based on individual availability to ensure the best learning experience. This training is delivered entirely online, so you can join from anywhere with ease. For any inquiries or to enroll, please contact us at 93619136611. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, SMS Tech Desk, for more tech tutorials, updates, and training content. We look forward to learning with you.